Hello everyone, good morning to all. This is the video for class 5 and subject is English 2nd. Student, this is the review of your chapter 2, which is the name the kinds of sentences. Okay, as you know that we have already learned our chapter 1st and 2nd, but today in this video I am giving you the review and explain only the points. Okay, so first of all we will know about the sentence, that what is sentence. Okay, introduction of sentence. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Okay, you know very well that a group of words which is complete in sense, that calls a sentence. Okay, sentences are mainly of the following kinds. First one is assertive sentence. Okay, so what is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence are those sentences which give us a statement only. Okay, these are very simple. This give us only a statement. I am giving here only example. Okay, look at the first. The Ganga comes from Himalaya. Okay, this is only a statement that the Ganga comes from Himalaya. The second one is my brother is a doctor. It is also a simple sentence. Okay, so assertive sentences are the sentences which give us a statement. Okay, now look at the next. What is the next? Next one is interrogative sentences. What is interrogative sentences? Interrogative sentences are the sentences which ask a question. Okay, and in this type of sentences the sentence start with helping verb like is or am. Okay, like this sentence start with is, which is a helping verb, you know very well, and helping verb or wh word like what, where, when, etc. Okay, look at the example. Is Rohit the monitor of your class? And student, in the end these sentences having a question mark like this. This is a question mark. Okay, you will see in all this type of sentences a question mark is given. Okay, where are you going? This is also a interrogative sentence. Why? Because it start with wh word and end with a question mark. So this call a interrogative sentences. Now come on the next, imperative sentence. What are imperative sentences? The imperative sentences are the sentences which give us a command, a request, or an order or advice. Okay, in this type of sentences the subject you is not mentioned. Okay, this type of sentences subject is not mentioned, like you is not mentioned. Okay, look at the example. Come and sit here. Come and sit here. This is an order, that come and sit here. So this is an imperative sentence. Okay, look at the next. Please give me a favor. Here the word please make the sentence that in this sentence a request is giving. Please give me a favor. Look at the next, negative sentence. Negative sentences are the sentences which show negation. Okay, which show negation. Like in this type of sentences you will see the words not, never and no. Okay, this type of word you will see in this type of sentences. Okay, look at the first example. I am not having your bag. I am not having your bag. The word not is making this sentence negative. Look at the next. You never be a good player. The word never is making this sentence negative. Okay, now student, look at the next, exclamatory sentence. What are exclamatory sentences? You know, we all having feelings, and when we express these sudden and strong feeling, that cause exclamation. Okay, like this example, how beautiful the Taj Mahal is. Okay, so the beauty of Taj Mahal is surprising. So how beautiful the Taj Mahal is. And in this type of sentences, you will see in the end of sentence the exclamation mark like this is given. Okay, this is exclamation mark. So how beautiful the Taj Mahal is, this is an example of exclamatory sentence. Okay, look at the next. Alas, his grandfather has died. Alas, the word alas, okay, alas is making this sentence exclamatory. Why? Because alas, hurrah, and wow, these are the words that express our feeling, and alas express our pain. Okay, in sorrow we say alas. Alas is his grandfather has died. Okay, so student, this is for today, and this is your review of your chapter 2nd. Okay, thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home, and keep studying.